Hey, how's it going? This is Blake. Welcome to Sound Cave Studios. We're a private studio, and a lot of studios aren't private. Their open door policy is a little different than ours. We stay locked. When a person books a session here, this becomes their home. The comfortability that they experience here is like nowhere else that they would get. Other studios have other things that make them special, but I think the people of Sound Cave is what makes Sound Cave special, and just the aura that you experience when you come through the doors.
It's low prices, $35 an hour, $25, you have your own engineer. And outside of that, it's a private atmosphere. You don't have to worry about somebody coming in and somebody hearing your beat, your track, and trying to remake it, because people that's invited is people that you invite only. All doors are locked. It's your home. Once you're in the door, it's your home.